So now we will demonstrate stand-in processing using the Keychain ledger between three devices shown here, where we have a consumer device which will be spending money, represented on the left as a smartwatch. We have a merchant device which will receive payment from the smartwatch on the right, which is the smartphone. And the transaction will be approved by a device that is outside the acquirer and or the issuer network, represented here as the IoT device at the top of the screen as a Raspberry Pi device. We will show a series of transactions that will show the agreement and approval and or rejection of the transactions based on a series of parameters that we have set up for the purpose of this demo. Okay, so let's start off with the first transaction where the consumer will be spending 400 yen. Okay, so that transaction is now complete, as you can see with the flickering of the green light at the top of the screen. Now, what's happened here was a three-way consensus between the three devices where they have mutually agreed on the finality of the transaction outside of the acquirer network. We'll try another transaction, 1900, please. And you can see, just as with the first transaction, this transaction completed in relatively quick fashion. Now, for the purpose of this demo, we've set up a hard limit of 2,000 yen for such transactions, whereby the approver, that is the IoT device at the top of the screen, will reject the transaction on the basis of it being too high. We'll do transaction with 2,100, and you'll see the rejection here. Now notice that it's not only the approver that notices the rejection, but it's actually all three of the devices that have recognized that the transaction has been rejected. And this is what we mean by consensus. Now we will show a normal transaction again, 1900, to show that anything below the limit that we've set for the purpose of this demo will in fact be approved again.